Did you know? The UK is made up of not one, but four countries. That's right, England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, each with its own distinct culture and history. Second, the UK is home to the world's oldest post office in operation, dating back to 1653. Third, the UK is the birthplace of many sports we love today, including soccer, rugby, and cricket. Fourth, the UK is a paradise for literature lovers, boasting the world's highest number of published authors per capita. Lastly, the UK is a land of castles, with over 600 scattered across the country. So there you have it, 5 intriguing facts about the United Kingdom. Stay curious and keep exploring.